Hey guys, what's going on? It's Phil, the Harness Doctor, and in today's video, I am very excited to share with you my newly purchased 2021 Chevy Silverado LT 1500 two-wheel drive 5.3 liter V8 truck. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that my previous truck was a 2016 Silverado LT, and so I went ahead and traded up. I picked this one up specifically for all the features that it has, so we can do this retrofit mod all over again. So starting with the tail lights, we've got incandescent tail lights. We're going to be swapping those out for the LED tail lights. Going to be looking at the powered running boards that retract and extract as you open the doors. This one's got the passive entry, so you can lock and unlock your door there. This one's got the power adjust mirror with the blind spot manual fold. We've got no puddle light or camera system. We've got task lights on the back. Going to be looking at swapping these out for some power fold mirrors. We're going to try to integrate the surround 360 vision with that as well too in memory. Here at the front, there are three different style of headlights. These are the mid-level headlights. So it's got the LED reflector or the LED headlamp with the LED signature DRL, but it's got the incandescent turn signals. The lower work truck models will have this fully incandescent top and bottom, and then the higher trim LTZ and High Country will have the LED turn signal. So we're going to be looking at swapping the headlights out as well. We'll take a look on the inside. We'll start with the back. So the back seats are going to be cloth. We've got storage compartments here on both driver and passenger. Going to be looking at swapping the seats out for heated seats. And then I believe the controls for that will be down here on the console. This particular model does have a jump seat. I wanted that specifically so we can go through swapping that out for a full center console like we did before. We'll hop in the front. Inside the truck, we've got the cloth heated front seats. This one is a power driver. The passenger side is manual. Again, this is a two-wheel drive truck, so no four-wheel drive. This is perfectly fine for my needs. I do not have fog lights, so we'll be looking at adding fog lights. And in terms of the mirror, again, I've got power adjust glass, no power fold, so we'll be looking at swapping this out. I may be considering doing memory integration as well. Inside, we've got the standard cluster that this particular model comes with. I'll be looking at swapping the cluster out. I already have the upgraded High Country cluster that was supplied and programmed by White Auto and Media Services. And as we get inside, this one's got the iOS system. It's got the wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Down here, it's got the factory trailer brake along with the power tailgate, and we'll be looking at doing the power down and up tailgate. It's got a power outlet power for the back of the bed, and then you've got another button here for your all windows down. I'll also look at doing the heads-up display or HUD. Looks like for this particular retrofit, things may fit. We don't have to do any kind of special fabrication like we had to do on the previous gen. There's some HUD controls that I believe land right around here, so we'll look at that. My cluster is already going to be programmed for HUD, so we'll hopefully get that installed too and get that retrofitted. The rear view mirror is a plain flip up and down mirror, so we'll get that swapped out for a dimming mirror. And there's going to be a long list of mods for this truck, but I'm very excited to finally get my hands on one of these and start tearing into it. If you have followed my channel, you'll notice all the different mods we've done on the 2016, the previous generation. So if you have any comments, guys, please leave them down below. I'll leave links to all the different things that I'll be doing, as well as just some updates. And again, guys, very excited. This has been a long time coming. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and be on the lookout for some upcoming videos. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you have not done so yet, please hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can stay up to date on all of the mods that I'll be doing onto this truck. Until next time, guys, this is Phil, the Harness Doctor. We'll see you on the next one.